In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to lock and hide chats in WhatsApp web or the desktop version, and this is going to be the latest update. So after you log in, this is going to be your dashboard. To the left, you could see all your chats. Okay. And if you want to lock any chats out here, you have to do one setting on your phone, and it's only then going further you could start locking chats directly from the desktop version for WhatsApp or the web version for WhatsApp. Okay, so get hold of your Android phone, and then once you are here, just long press on the chat you want to lock. Click on the menu icon to the top right, and then click on lock chat. Click on continue, unlock, click on OK. And then you're going to see a folder that is showing as locked chats. Click on that, unlock, and then get to the folder directly out here on your phone. So now once you start locking chats on your phone, you are going to see a folder out here on WhatsApp web and the desktop version, of course, but you are not going to be able to access that. Okay, you would need to set up a secret code. So how to set up a secret code is pretty simple. You open WhatsApp on your phone, then you get to the lock chats folder, unlock it, and out here click on the three dots or the menu icon. Click on chat lock settings, and then the second option, secret code. Click on that. Set up a secret code out here, like whatever. Let me set one up for this specific account. Click on next, confirm the secret code, click on done. So now once you have your secret code, you are going to be able to access your locked chats on WhatsApp web and the desktop version for WhatsApp also. Okay, so now when you click on lock chats, you are going to be prompted to put in a secret code that you set up. Just put in the secret code, and then you are going to have access to the locked chats out here also. Okay, so you could lock 1 or 2 or 3 chats or 10 or 20 or whatever it is, that's totally on you. And if you want to hide this folder completely so that people don't actually see that you have a locked chats folder in the first place, so that you have 100% privacy, what you need to do is get hold of your Android phone again, and then you open WhatsApp, and then you click on the locked chats folder, unlock, get to this folder, and then click on the menu icon, click on chat lock settings, and then turn on hide locked chats. Select use my secret code, and then put in your secret code. That's it. So now what's going to happen is, not just from the application, even for WhatsApp web or the desktop version of WhatsApp, you are not going to see the locked chats folder. Okay, you scroll up, scroll down, you cannot see that locked chats folder anymore. But in order for you to access your locked chats folder, what you need to do is just put in the secret code out here. Just type that in out here, and you're going to see the locked chats folder. Again, you could access the locked chats out here. Okay, so this ensures complete privacy. Subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.